Hi everyone. For our formative assessment technology, I chose Mural. Mural is a whiteboard website that can go anywhere that you go. You can use it for just about anything in teaching. What makes Mural so great is that you can invite students to work on the same whiteboard space as you are. It works similar to Google Docs in that I can invite almost anyone and they can add their own thoughts and opinions to the whiteboard space. The downside is that Mural does cost money to use. That is because many businesses today use Mural. However, if you can get your school district or department chair to buy it, it might open up a lot of doors to online teaching. It costs $12 a month. What you do in Mural is completely up to you. It is just like the whiteboard in front of your classroom. You can draw, type, post sticky notes. It is completely up to the teacher. Here is an example of Mural being used. Here the students are able to move the sticky notes in real time and place them in the category that is right for them. If I want to end this whiteboard session, I could end it and see the final results. Here are the examples of the different templates that you can use. There are a lot of them in Mural. Here's an example of one of the templates. As you can see, you can break down the template into different sections. You can add post-it notes, you're able to draw, and don't forget that I can invite any student to work on this whiteboard with me. It's quite large. I can even present my whiteboard space. So here's an example where students are able to point at different locations. You can divvy up the whiteboard space any way that you would like. You can add pictures, Google videos. You can have files in here as well. So to address the keys of effective use, for key 3, which is sound design, after reviewing the software, it is really up to the teacher if it is able to link material to learning targets or standards. You could very easily have the standards and learning objectives posted. If the teacher is able to be clear with the content on the whiteboard, it could be very effective. As the book says, your task is to choose a proper method for the intended purpose and learning target. It's really up to you. For key 4, formative usefulness, assessments in Mural are able to be used to further learning and can engage students in the learning process. If you and your students are both active in the whiteboard space, you are able to give real-time feedback to the students. If you need to mix up assignments, you could do time challenges or have students move their sticky notes around in a KWL chart. It is completely up to you as the teacher. And for key 5, effective communication, the best part of Mural is that I can save and keep each whiteboard that I use forever. I can see what students said or where they moved their sticky notes, and I can use this information later and assess each student accordingly. I am able to use the Mural results as a diagnostic check with the students, or I can show the results of a lesson to the school board. It is completely up to you. Overall, I think Mural is a great formative assessment technology that could be very useful in the current online teaching state. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.